Hi everybody. I hope you are doing super well today, and in today's video, I'm going to speak about 4 different presentative words. Have you ever asked yourself how to say there is, here is, it is in French? So we are going to start with the first presentative words.
Voici, voilà.
As always, all the words in orange are in English, and the ones in white are in French. So you can see that the translation of those words is, here is. So first question is, when do we use them? We use them to show or present something or someone. But there is a distinction between them.
Voici,
Is used to talk about someone or something that is close to you. By close to you, I mean in term of distance, not about the fact you like someone or something. Second option is when we talk about something or someone more distant from you, in term of distance, then in this case, we use the word.
voilà.
Let me illustrate those 2 new words with examples. The first one is,
Voici un chat.
here is a cat. And we are speaking about a cat close to you, for example, a cat that walks by your side. The second example is,
Voilà un chat.
that we traduce the same way in English, here is a cat, but we are speaking about a cat that is more distant. So for example, a cat that you see down the street. Now, we are going to move on the next section, which is about.
Il y a, c'est.
There are so many people that mix those 2 group of words, therefore it's essential to understand when we use them. We can say that it's to describe something or someone, it's the translation of there is or there are, and for your information, there is no plural in French, so no matter if you are speaking about one or more things or people, you will always use.
Il y a.
So now, when do you think we use this word? It's used to present something or someone. For example, you present your cat, you use the word.
C'est.
You point out your cat with your finger and you say, it's my cat.
C'est mon chat.
Here is an example of a sentence with both of these new words. So the sentence is,
Il y a un homme sur la photo. C'est Bruno.
there is a man on the picture. It's Bruno. So as we have seen before, the first sentence is describing the fact a man is on the picture. For that reason, we use.
Il y a.
On the second sentence, we give someone's name, which is Bruno, so we are presenting him. For that reason we use.
C'est.
Now, let's move on to the exercises section. In that way, you will be able to find out if you understood those new words. So here are the 6 proposals that you have to make match with the sentences. Let's start with the first word. Therefore, what do you think the correct answer is? What we are doing with this word is showing something or someone that is close to us. So, the right answer is,
Voici mon chat.
here is my cat. Because we are showing our cat that is close to us. So according to you, what is the sentence that matches with?
Il y a.
First of all, if you think of one answer, it might be right, because there are 2 options. So don't worry and wait for the second sentence to know if you are right. I let you a couple of seconds to think about it. Alright, so one of the right answer is.
Il y a un oiseau sur l'arbre.
And the reason for this is because we are describing the fact a bird is on the tree. You might think we could have used the word
Voici.
as well, but it's not the case. If you want to use this word, the sentence would be.
Voici un oiseau.
In this case we are showing the bird, but if we add on the tree, we are describing the fact the bird is on the tree, so it's not the same at all, and you need to be careful of this. Now, let's move on the next sentence.
C'est un enfant heureux.
is to present the situation where a kid is happy, so that's the first correct answer. The other one is
C'est le restaurant où j'aime manger.
because again we are presenting a restaurant that we like. Alright, almost there, 2 sentences remaining. What about going to the restaurant? Because the right answer is,
Voilà le restaurant où j'aime manger.
and the reason for this is because we are showing the restaurant we like. Also make sure, you don't forget we are speaking about something that is distant from us, so the restaurant could be at the other end of a street. What about the last sentence? Okay. This one is easy as there is only one option remaining.
Il y a des voitures sur le parking.
But even if it's easy, let me remind you some things. First of all, we use it to describe something. Other important thing is that there is no plural, so even if in this example there are several cars, we use
Il y a.
Alright, I hope you understood everything I tried to explain you. So, now to conclude the video, let's move on to the last part of the video, which is the revisions. So, we have seen 4 new words in today's video, and now I want you to find the translation. It's really important in this part, to try to write the word on a paper or on the comment section, and this is for 2 reasons. The first one is to memorize it better, and the second one is to make sure you memorize how to write it properly. It happens to me when learning a new language that I mix letters, and wrote the words wrong, and writing them helped me to memorize and make less or no mistakes at all. Anyway, according to you, what is the translation of there is or there are? As you have seen it, just before, in the exercise section, it might not be too hard and the answer is
Il y a.
Next one is, here is, when we are speaking about something or someone that is close to you. So we traduce it by
Voici.
By the way, there are other words that ends with an I that also has the closeness aspect, and other words that ends with a, with an accent. I will teach you them in other videos. Anyway, what about it is? If you write and say,
C'est.
you are absolutely right. Last one, here is when we are speaking about something or someone far from us.
Voilà.
Ending with an A, and with an accent to say it's far. Alright. So, it's the end of this video, I hope you enjoyed it. And if it's the case, you can press the like button, subscribe to receive notifications when I post new videos, and also share this video with people interested in learning French. Thank you for watching. See you soon.